Are you a student or a stay at home mom and you're looking to transition into the remote space, or you're feeling like, how can I do this? I don't have a laptop. Well, guess what? There are a lot of remote jobs you can do with your phone, and that is what I'm about to share with you in this video. So stick around and watch to the end because you're not going to regret this. My name is Isabella, and welcome back to my channel. We'll be talking about six major jobs, remote jobs that we can do with our phones. So I'll be listing the most common ones and the ones in high demand right now. So the first on my list is social media management. Social media management is simply helping business build and grow their online presence. And if you're good at creating content, it might not necessarily be video content, but making use of Canva and any other software to create simple content like using carousels, creating stories, using AI, writing captions. Those are some of the things that most of all these business owners are looking for. And some of them want remote social media managers. So, and still, some of them also want on-site social media manager. But the one that is most common is remote social media manager. So, one of the things that you'll be asked to do is to create content which can either be, to writing captions for content that is already created, or creating graphics with Canva, or editing short videos that they will create by themselves and send to you. And you can use tools like Canva, CapCut, InShot, Pixel Lab, and Snapseed. And all of this you can use with your phone. Another kind of task that you might be asked to do is page management, where you post consistently, replying to comments, replying to DM, hiding spam comments, moderating followers, and removing trolls, and keeping the page active daily. And you can do all this with your phone across all social medias. So one of the ways for you to find clients or people to work with, because this social media management work, it has to do with proof. If you don't have proof of what you're doing, people will not believe what you say by talking to them that yes, I'm a social media manager. So you need proof. You have to start by working on your own social media page. Start by working on your own social media page, and that way you can easily tell yourself, even while you're creating content, you create content about what you do, that your social media manager, give tips on social media. There are a lot of resources online that you can actually use. Go to Instagram, search for um, social media content ideas, all these things. They really help you. And you can also create your portfolio. You need portfolio. Now, what do I mean by portfolio? Portfolio is a proof of work, like a folder or a file that you compile all the work that you've done, either with your own personal account or with someone else's personal account that you help to manage. So preferably I would suggest to work with your own account. So when the way you're growing your account, you take a screenshot of the progress, either the followers growth or the content idea that you worked on, that you experimented on, and then the analysis on how the whole thing went on. So it's something that anybody can do, and I believe if you put your mind to it, you can actually achieve it. And yes, you can use your phone. You don't need a laptop for this. So the second one is video editing. Hmm. I know a lot of people will be like, but I need a laptop for this. I need a laptop for video editing. Yes, you do need a laptop for video editing, but you can also use your phone. You can use your phone for video editing. This is actually very good because for most content creators that are doing so well right now, while they're doing so well right now, most of them use their phones and they edit their videos perfectly. I don't know if you've come across all these video editors online on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. Most of them started with their phones, all the simple video editing tips and video editing tips and how they're able to get it. Some of them even because of their consistency, they even started a class online where they are teaching people how to edit videos. So yeah, you can actually earn money with video editing on your phone. you can earn money with video editing. And how do you position yourself? It's simple. You just practice. Practice what you're learning. You can learn a lot of video tips on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and practice it. And as you're practicing, you're creating content about it. Open a TikTok page or any other, or just post it on social media. That way, people are seeing what you're doing, and people would definitely like what you do, and then maybe reach out to you and be like, okay, can you teach me how to do this? You can charge them for teaching them, and you can also offer your services by reaching out to brands, maybe content creators, and be like, okay, I'm a video editor, and I can help you edit your videos, so amount, blah blah blah. Just reach out to them, and you see yourself making money. And the more you practice, the better you become, and the more exciting it is for you. So the next on my list is writing. Writing. Yeah. So most people right now they're making money just by writing. If you're someone that enjoys writing, you have fun writing, something that you love to do, then this particular one is for you. And it's also, let's say you don't really have idea how these things work, but you have interest in it, it's something you can actually learn also. So we have different types of writing. We have content writing, we have copywriting, we have technical writing, we have script writing, we have ghost writing. The content writing is this is simply writing this is simply writing helpful content for people who enjoy reading online. You understand? Content writing can be for blog posts, articles, social media captions, newsletters, brand stories, email marketing, and stuff like that. And then the next one is copywriting. Copywriting is writing that sells. This is you writing to convince people to buy something. So it's just like sales, but then the sales is all in writing. You don't have to say anything, but you're doing it in writing. So how you do it? So all this thing requires skills. It's something you need to learn how to do. And there are a lot of classes online that you can actually know how to that will actually teach you how to do all of this copywriting. And then technical writing is writing that explains complex topics in simple language. It is more formal and used for tech companies. So imagine you're a technical writer and you reach out to all these SaaS companies, like all these tech companies, and tell them, okay, I'm a technical writer, I'll do this for you, I'll do this for your company, I see what you're doing, just stuff. You see that you can actually make money than you can ever imagine. And then ghostwriting, this is writing on behalf of someone. So you can, it's just like someone posing like, okay, I'm a writer, I do this, I do that. But then they're not the one writing it. It is you who's the ghostwriter. The name ghost there means you that is the writer. Nobody knows you. You are the face behind someone that is posing as a writer. So that's ghostwriting. And then we have script writing. This is simply for let's say YouTube videos, TikTok, Reels, podcasts, voiceovers, and even movies. So script writing. So just for you to pick one of these and focus on it, and you can even make use of AI. AI is there to make things easy for us. So there's nothing that we put our minds to I will not be able to achieve. So the next one on our list is voice over artist. I've actually made emphasis on it several times in one or two of my videos. Voice over people underestimate it, especially if you have a very nice voice. I don't know if my voice is nicer, but but there are people that are just ready with very, very calm, soothing voice that when you hear them speak or record their voice over the phone, it's like you're talking to a radio presenter or you're talking to what this event host, their voice is so lovely. If you're that kind of person that your voice is like that, then this one is for you. And as long as you have your phone, you'll be able to get gigs that people will pay you for just you speaking and presenting yourself. And there's some things you need to also master when it comes to this kind of gigs. You need to know how to speak properly. You need to know how to um you need to understand the techniques behind voiceovers and being a voice artist. So once you understand all of this, and it's something you can always learn, that's why we have our phones. You can always learn this online. Honestly, you can always learn this online everywhere. And it's just like something you have inside of you and you need to make money for yourself. So the one on my list, which is next, content creation, content creation. Many of us know about this already, so I'm not going to say so much. We all know that yes, you can make money from content creation. Just pick up your phone, make videos, and post. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not. I'm also struggling with this, but it's something that a lot of us could actually make money from if we put our mind to it. Yeah. And the most difficult part of content creation, which I'm going to say, and I'm also encountering this is content ideas, content ideas, and being consistent with posting. These two things, once you have them in place, I bet you in the space of 6 months to a year, you get your account monetized, and you can also attract brand deals and other ways that you can make money just by being a content creator. Yeah. So don't underestimate this. If you know you have that zeal, go for it. And for content ideas, there's something that I found out recently that actually helped me. Just go to Instagram and search for content content ideas, and you're going to see a lot of videos that will help you. It actually helped me recently, and as I am right now, I don't think I'll be out of content ideas for the next 6 months. Thank God. And if you guys notice, my YouTube is like so scanty because I struggle to post consistently. And my major issue is content ideas because I always want to put out value. I always want to put out something that is going to be very valuable. I don't just want to do something that is just random. And so coming up with those ideas are always very difficult. So yeah, I'm giving you something that helped me, and I'm sure it's going to really help you too. So the last on my list, which is the fifth one, is community management. Community management. I know this is not really a popular one, but then it's something that definitely demand recently. Many of us don't know about this. Community management. This is just the picking up your phone. It's just like how do I put this now? You know on WhatsApp now. A lot of us have a lot of us are in a WhatsApp group where we have more than one admin. Now we all know that in such cases there's always one person who is the brain behind that group. That is the person that owns the group. Now the other admins now can just be assisting for free. But then what if I tell you that there are people who are being paid to do that kind of job? Now what you just do, reply to comments, messages on socials, and moderate discussions. And now it's not just on WhatsApp. I just use that as an instance. Now we have community managers on Telegram. We have on Facebook groups. We have on Discord. We have on we have on Slack. We also have on all these communities that there's some brands, for example, wellness brands, sports brands that have communities, and they need someone that will be in charge of these communities to watch and manage, reply to questions that relate to the company. So they usually hire people to manage it. So they're called community managers. So things that you're likely to do is to initiate discussions, engage, reply comments, build relationships with these people so that they can, you know, keep feeling that yes, they're in this community. you know, support when it comes to content, that will actually engage with people, monitor, remove people that want to, go against the rules of the community, moderate, monitor, report. The work is not that hard, or it's something you can do with your phone. It's as simple as that. It's something you can do with your phone. So yeah, I'm going to stop here. And if you found this very interesting, and if you want to tell me that yes, I'm going to do this, please feel free to drop a comment and let me know if there's anything you want me to do a video about in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah, I'm going to say this right now.